Hey guys, in today's video I decided to show you a couple of pieces that I bought from ASOS. I tried to buy colors that are in the trend for summer, spring, and even next winter, like this one. I also bought things for every kind of style. I bought some romantic pieces, some street style, and also some more classic ones. I hope you enjoy it. Please remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. For the first one, we have this white top. It has the puffy sleeves. They're super trendy right now. This one was $24. It's a more romantic item. It is 100% cotton, and I really love it. I think the price was great for the quality. So I would give this item a 5 stars. Definitely recommend it. For the second one, we have this corset kind of style. It was $48. This one is also romantic. I love the quality as well. It does have a little transparency here, so I don't love that part. And a lot of people are wearing corset nowadays, so it's a very trendy item as well. The price was really good. I searched a lot for corset like this ones, and this was definitely the best price that I found. I think it's very cost effective, and I love it. I would definitely recommend it. For this item, I would give it 4 stars because of the transparency and because I don't think I can wear it as often as I would wear the first one. For the third item, we have this checkered pants. It has pockets. It does have some details that I think totally makes a difference. I even love the button. I love everything about it. The quality is also amazing. I think I can wear it a lot in a lot of different ways. So I would give this one 5 stars. The price is $56. So it's not the cheapest one, but I think it's totally worth it. I would definitely recommend it. For the fourth item, we have this oversized blazer. This one is an extra small, so I can say it's pretty oversized. It isn't long enough to wear it as a dress, at least for me, maybe because I'm tall, but I love it, I love it, I love it. I love the details, I love the buttons. I love how it fits. I love everything about it. The sleeves are a little bit short, but I think it adds to the style of it. Really love it. I love the idea. This one was $60. The only problem about this one is that when I bought it, it said that it came with 2 pieces, the blazer and the shorts, but they didn't send me the shorts. I already sent them an email last week and they still haven't replied me, so I'm waiting on that. But if they send me the shorts, I think it was pretty cost effective. I really love it. For our fifth item, we have this neo mint jacket. It's a cropped one. I love it. I love how it has volume on the sleeves. This color is very trendy for 2020. The buttons are big. I love all the details. This one is a size medium, and it was $36. I think this is one of the pieces that I'm gonna wear the most. It was very cost effective, and I would give it a 5 star. For our sixth item, we have this pink crop blazer. I love it, and I think it was super cheap. The only problem is the quality. It is polyester, and so that isn't very like soft to touch. But I still think it was worth it because it was only $22, and for a blazer that's almost nothing. Cropped blazers are super trendy right now, and I love it. I had to buy it on size 12 because this was the last size they had available, and I think it was worth it, so I'm just gonna tailor it. And but I love it, and I would give it like a 3-star rating because of the quality of the material. But I love it. I think I'm gonna wear it a lot. For our seventh item, I got this pink shorts that match the blazer that I just showed you. The quality material is the same, but this one the price was even more impressive. It was only $15. I also bought it on size 12 because it was the last one they had, so I'm also gonna have to tailor it a lot. But I love it. I think having in mind the price, it was amazingly cheap. And it's very cost effective, so I would give it a 3 as well. For our eighth piece, we have this pants that I think are amazingly cool. It comes with this belt. It's super street style. I love it. It kind of has like an off-white vibe, I would say. I love the color, I love everything about it. I was kind of worried that it would be too short since I have a problem buying pants online because of that. But they actually fit me perfectly and I love it. This one was $48, so it wasn't that cheap, but I love it so much that I think it was completely worth it. It has a pocket on the back and 2 pockets on the front. I love the way it dresses, I love all the details. So I would definitely give this item a 5-star rating. For our item number 9, we have this orange cropped jacket. I love the material, I love the color. I can almost match it with the pants, but they're a little bit darker. The buttons has some details as well. It has 2 pockets on the front and it dresses perfectly. Honestly, it fits me perfectly. I love this new trend with cropped jackets and blazers. This one was $23, so it's amazing for the price. It's very cost effective. The quality is very good and I will definitely wear it a lot. For this item, I give it a 5-star. For our 10th item, we have this polka dot kind of dark and red dress. It's very romantic. I love how it has this detail on the bottom and on the sleeves. It also has the puffy sleeves. And this dress was $28, so I think it's amazingly cost effective for a dress. I would definitely give it a 5-star. I love the way it fits the body and it's very cute. I would say very trendy. I love it. Our item number 11 is this high heel sandals. It has the stripes. They're super trendy right now, so I was really looking forward to buying a sandal like this. I chose the color nude because I think it matches everything and I think I'm gonna wear it a lot. This one was $36, so I thought it was pretty cheap for sandals. I thought they were gonna be very uncomfortable, to be honest, but they ended up not being that uncomfortable. It's not like the most comfortable sandals in the world, but they're comfortable enough to wear for dinner or something, so I really love them. Even the heel has like a different shape, so I thought it was really stylish and I love it. I can't wait to wear them with pants. I would give the sandals a 4-star rating just because they're not the most comfortable sandals in the world, but I still think they are pretty cost effective. For our last item, we have this black mules. I love it and I was super excited to get them. I thought they were gonna be uncomfortable as well, but they are actually very comfortable. I love that it has some details. It looks very chic and fashion. I bought them in black also because they can match anything. They were $35, so I think they're also pretty cost effective. In fact, most of the things that I bought from ASOS are really cost effective. So I think I'll definitely be shopping there again. I love these mules and I think they deserve a 5-star rating. Okay guys, so this was it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I'll be doing a lookbook video with some outfits using these clothes. Please let me know if you have any doubts or anything in the comments below. Remember to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you all in the next video. Bye!